Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and convert a photo to PDF here in iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply accessing your photos of your phone and go ahead, choose a particular picture for yourself. Tap on the share icon and now go ahead, scroll down to the bottom of the options and tap on this option called print right over here. Once you have done you can already see here in this section it already shows as a PDF file. You can see page 1 and page 2. That means it has already converted your file into a PDF. You're going to go ahead, tap on this icon as a download again, creating PDF, and now you're gonna go ahead, cross this out. You can see now our photo is PDF document is saved over here. We're simply gonna cross that out. We're gonna go to cancel it, and here in this file section of ours we will be able to find that turned PDF of ours. PDF files will be saved over here, so you can simply go ahead, check out your particular file. That's how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.